So imagine a situation that you are enjoying your holiday with your family, and all of a sudden somebody among you uh, come across dental lag. What will you do? Either you will call your family dentist if you are in your hometown, or you will go on Google. So unfortunately, not many of us have got a family dentist. So when we talk about the Google search, there are so many listing sites where you can find out the nearby dental clinics. But these clinics, these listing sites never talk about the quality and pricing, which is something of more concern. So what we have done is we have created an ecosystem of the dental clinics in many of the cities, and we are now on verge of expanding our network. So when you are in any of these city and you have got such kind of problem, you can go to our portal account and you can find which is where you want to go. So these all whichever clinic is there with us on in our panel is quality assured, and the pricing system is very much transparent. You can find the rate charts in the clinic as well as that is given on the portal, right? So now this was the clinical part. Why clinic tie up with us? Why we authorize a clinic? Now we authorize a clinic based on the quality checks, and clinics tie up with us because we promise them for a good business in terms of footfall, in terms of revenues. Uh, on the parallel side, our sales team create a network of our customers through their own activities. We have got online as well as offline module for sales. Now, this whole concept is basically developed and run by my team of majorly we are three in the management team. We have got three people. I am a dentist by profession. I'm also an MBA. I've practiced in both in public and private sector. The IT platform that we are talking about is created by Sanjay Joshi, who has got more than 10 years of IT experience, and he has his own firm of a good with a good reputation. The sales part is taken care by Mr. Saurabh Bhargav, who has got more than 10 years of sales experience with insurance and pharma industry. Um, why now we regarding the traction that we have as of now, in we have run a pilot run in pilot study in the city of Alwar, and the traction is good. In just a period of 5 months, we have got a customer base of nearly 4,500. So these are all paid customers. Now we are looking for scaling up of our operations into cities like Jaipur, and basically our target is going to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, because these are the cities which are the most ignored, and but they have got a huge market potential.